Okay, hey, so I set up the right navigation for your new website. This is Nuyen Acu 20 STG, which is staging. I'll send you the login information for this page. You build it out in the background. When you're all done, I'll show you how to copy it up to the live environment. But this navigation makes sense. COVID-19 about the practice, acupuncture therapy. Within this, I have all the information, understanding, treating conditions, wellness, pricing and insurance, schedule appointment, intake form. So anybody that's dealing with acupuncture, they go to that link, they can take it in. I have a separate page here for cosmetic and facial treatments because I think it's important to show that on the top level so people understand that you also offer that. And that just takes you to a page that has a little introduction about the cosmetic aspect, take you to the microneedling, about microneedling page, and about gua sha page, which is the same thing over here in the menu, that each of these has their own top level navigation. And again, that just shows people what you do without having them have to dig into like cosmetic and facial. They can see the word microneedling and gua sha right on the website itself. So then you have a microneedling section about microneedling, pricing information, which takes you to that goals survey form, which I still think is a good idea. Scheduling a microneedling appointment and microneedling intake. Same thing with facial gua sha. Then I have a separate link here so people can quickly see how to schedule appointments, since that's something you really want them to do. It's right here in the main nav, and it will take you to either acupuncture, microneedling, or gua sha. Then locations and contact and buy gift certificates. Okay, so for example, over here in acupuncture, let's say on microneedling, no, sorry, on gua sha, you want to have facial gua sha pricing. Well, you don't have that page, but you do have acupuncture pricing and insurance information. So what you do is navigate to this page, say edit page, and in addition to being able to save the overall page template, like I showed you the other day, where you can click on this thing and save the whole page, you can also save certain sections. So right here is your pricing chart, okay? So you can also save this container only. So if I click here to save, I'll say pricing container, save that container, close that, leave this page because I didn't really do anything to it. Now if I want to go to gua sha pricing and create a gua sha pricing page, I can come here, say edit page. I created a table here for you, but you can go right here, container, and then you go to library of containers, pricing container, click yes. That puts the pricing container that you copied from the acupuncture page in here. Then you can go into this section of the page and edit your information for gua sha. Okay, I'm going to update that because you probably will need that. I'm going to do the same thing over here for, no, actually, I'm not going to do it for microneedling because you're not going to show microneedling pricing. But anyway, that same principle applies. So if you go over here, like about facial gua sha, I set you up with an example, kind of starting place. I made new graphics. But if you have content on another section of your site that you can reuse for a new page that you're building, you can just navigate to that page on your site, go to the back end, copy the table that you want, sorry, the container that you want to reuse, and then do what I just showed you and paste it into the new page. All right, that's basically it. Again, I really do think this is a good structure for navigation. All right, I'm going to send you the login credentials and a link to this video.